This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about takeout containers, specifically these Tamper Tech containers. They come in a variety of sizes, making them ideal for taking home leftovers, packing up take orders, and a variety of other things. And you can see here we have the 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48 and 64 ounce capacity rectangles, along with the 24, 32, and 48 ounce rounds, giving you a ton of great options. And these are a single piece unit. You can see they have a little hinge there. You got your bottom and your lid all together, and they're really easy once they're filled, just to flip over, press that lid in place, and then it's got a little tab seal down here that you can lock in. Once it's opened, you're going to have a nice little tamper evident device there, because you can see that little tab seal breaks, allowing customers to know that the package has been opened and it can't be resealed. So these are a great little option if you're looking for some tamper evident packaging, but don't necessarily want to buy a lot of different pieces or have to keep track of bottoms and lids and seals and other things. It's a single piece unit, which makes it fantastic. The tamper evident tab seal that detaches once it's opened is going to give you a really clear indicator for an open package. The clear containers keep meals sealed and secured, while also helping to prevent messes while showing off your tasty ingredients, making them ideal for takeout or take-home containers. They're made from a PET plastic that is recyclable, making for an easy cleanup and disposal. The containers have ample surface area both on top and on bottom if you need to do things like add labels or branding for easy identification by your customers, and they make an ideal option for grab and go areas. They're perfect for delis, cafes, gourmet grocers, to do things like packing up meals, salads, sides, fruit, and also things like dry goods and candy. They're also a great option for food prep at home or packing up lunch to take to the office.